it comes to influencers and content creators, like this is it. When it comes to celebrities, it's just like, oh, that's just a random like side hustle, side deal, whatever it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be kind of like a Ken Talks. I'm just going to chit chat with you guys on my thoughts about influencers, content creators versus celebrities. I know that probably sounds so weird and kind of like random and all over the place, but I'm going to make it make sense, okay? Don't worry about it. So if you guys are interested in the topic, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. So this kind of topic has actually been on my mind for like a very long time. It's not too far-fetched to think about because basically influencers are like smaller celebrities to a certain extent, depending on your following and stuff, but you still have a following, which you can argue that some influencers actually already reached like celebrity status. It depends on what you would consider a celebrity, I guess. But I really wanted to talk about this because I feel like when it comes to companies and brands and stuff like that, it is like a big thing. And when it comes to celebrities kind of coming into the influencer world, it's been a big thing. And yeah, so I just really wanted to kind of get my thoughts out about this and see what you guys think, and just kind of, is it a vent or is it a chit chat? I don't know. But you guys, hopefully you guys can follow me and kind of see what I'm talking about. Honestly, I feel like my thoughts on this kind of started in when I think when I seen like Kim Kardashian collaborating with influencers on YouTube, and Kylie making a whole makeup line and also doing YouTube and all that stuff, and seeing Cardi B work with Fashion Nova and stuff like that. All those kinds of like collaborations and things, that's kind of like a lot of celebrities started collaborating with clothing companies and stuff on a bigger scale ever since influencers started really doing it. And it's such a weird like thing because celebrities have always worked with other companies. Like there's always been collaborations with certain celebrities. Like Nike works with celebrities all the time. There are a bunch of brands that I'm not too, I can't name off the top of my head, but we know there's always been like those kinds of like collaborations and stuff going on. As of, you know, recently, it's been on a different kind of thing. And the reason why I'm saying that is because obviously as a content creator and stuff like that, I've worked with a lot of the brands. I've worked with a lot of brands, and I kind of see how they move when working with influencers versus working with celebrities. And truly, I think that at first, when I saw like celebrities coming into like influencer world and stuff, like coming on YouTube, making YouTube channels and stuff, it just kind of feels like a little bit, it kind of feels a little bit weird, right? Well, to me as a content creator. And I'm not sure if a lot of like, I felt like, I mean, I've seen the buzz and I've seen a lot of people like talking about this at one point in time, but it's not in like a, for me, it's not in like a negative kind of way. It's more like now it's gonna overshadow a lot of like influencers and a lot of like content creators that should be seen. Once a celebrity comes into the mix, it's kind of like, where's the influencers at? You know what I mean? That's kind of what ends up happening. And I've actually experienced some things where I've worked with certain brands, and just for the sake of like not doing so, I'm not gonna mention any specific brands or anything, but I've worked with brands that for like, you know, a very long time and stuff like that. And it's been a couple of brands. Like you'll see the differences on how they treat influencers versus how they treat celebrities. And it's not like a personal kind of thing, because influencers and stuff, we all talk amongst each other, and we kind of understand like, oh, so, you know, we kind of understand what's happening and what's going on and stuff like that. And when it comes to influencers, all of a sudden brands start to feel like, no, we don't have to pay you whatever, you know, like whatever you're requiring, we don't have to pay you if we can just get a celebrity to do it. And obviously the celebrity is going to be charging a lot more money because they're celebrities and they already have been established and stuff. But for some reason, like brands, obviously brands are going to get more exposure because they are a celebrity and stuff like that. So it's really shitty because I feel like I say everything is shitty, but anyway, it is shitty because at the end of the day, influencers, this is like what we do. We help promote brands, like we make brand deals and sponsorships, and it started off with influencers and content creators and stuff. Like this is exactly what, like, we bridge the gap between consumers and brands and stuff. And that's kind of like what, if you look at any description, that is exactly what an influencer and a content creator does. So it kind of just sucks when it's like influencers aren't getting the recognition for that because celebrities start to come in and they offer more exposure. It depends on what brands. Not all brands do it, but a lot of brands, like especially bigger brands, they do start treating their influencers like they weren't there since the very beginning because they have like celebrity advertisement. Another thing, and like the main thing, is that when it comes to influencers and content creators, because this is what we do and this is our job and stuff, obviously we're gonna put a lot more effort into like making great quality content because this is what we do. This is it, you know. Whereas celebrities have a whole nother career and this is just like a side brand deal, you know what I mean? Like when it comes to influencers and content creators, like this is it. When it comes to celebrities, it's just like, oh, that's just a random like side hustle, side deal, whatever it is. And it's just kind of, it just starts to water down and just diminish, honestly, it diminishes the quality and the concept of what influencers and content creators do. And it's just such a conflicting kind of thing. And you start to see like the brands and people's like true colors of how they really are and stuff like that. And at the end of the day, everybody wants to just win. Everybody just wants to make money and win and get big brand deals and stuff like that, like, of course. But you know, sometimes the morality of certain people just start to, you just start to see that it doesn't always lead to like great qualities in the beings behind these brands and stuff. Yeah, that's basically all I really wanted to say about that. It's just kind of been on my mind for a very long time, and I remember having some conversations with some influencers and stuff and about it, and I remember seeing chatter about it on Twitter and all of that, especially when it kind of like first began. Because truthfully, being an influencer and social media and everything kind of got big about 10 years ago, maybe. What is it, 2021? I don't know. YouTube started in 2009. Instagram started in like 2011, 2012. It hasn't really been that long. And then as soon as like the every influencer started coming about and actually collaborating and stuff, and content creators started collaborating and stuff with brands, and they started being like a really big thing. Like, oh my God, social media influencers, like what is this? This is a new thing. And when it started becoming big, is all of a sudden celebrities just started like coming into it. And it's just like, but you guys already had sponsorships and stuff. And yeah, I just hope and wish that brands would actually realize the difference in that. But it is what it is. People are just gonna do what they want to do. And also another thing I wanted to say is that, of course, any brand or company is gonna feel super happy and excited to have certain celebrities in their things or collabing with them and kind of seeing them post on their social media and stuff. But my hope is that we don't forget why influencers and content creators are on social media. And also, not to mention, like, we've worked to build our social media for that particular reason and to have an influence and stuff on people, on consumers and stuff like that. So in general, companies before social media, companies and celebrities were already collaborating. So the fact that there's now there's new ways to collaborate with people that have a following, social media, it just it's getting infiltrated with celebrities doing stuff. I don't really even know how to end this because this is just like random thoughts and random like venting and stuff. Yeah, so I don't even know if I would consider this a Ken chat, but I am chatting with you guys, so it's a Ken chat. Yeah, I hope you guys understood what I was saying, if you guys ever even gave that thought at all. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, I guess. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!